friends, today I want to show you this keema powder. We're going to use keema curry using Japanese curry powder. This is so easy to use. You don't need to put any salt or flavorings. We just need this. I will put the ingredients in the description. Please do check later. So today we will need 3 packs of these. For this dish, we will need 2 medium-sized chopped onions and 400 grams of minced meat and 1 cup of tomato juice. So first, let's chop the onions. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be very small, okay? Like this. Pour some cooking oil, and then we're just going to saute everything. Let's add the barley leaves. Then simply saute everything and then simmer for about 6 minutes. When cooked, again, just saute a little bit. Now let's add 1 cup of tomato juice. On the package, it says you need tomatoes, but I prefer to use tomato juice. Simmer for 3 minutes in low heat. And then simply add the keema curry powder. Then give it a good mix.
Wow. Smells good.
And you're done. This is really good with bread or rice, and then if you put some salad as a side dish, it's perfect. And friends, if you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Mata ne!